Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to enable cookies in Google Chrome browser. So simple and simple. Open Chrome and up to top right spot those three dots. Click them to open the menu, then scroll down to Settings. It's near the bottom second to last option. Click that. A new window pops up with tons of choices like privacy and performance. We're heading to privacy and security. Find it on the left and click it. Scroll down a bit. You'll see third-party cookies. Click that. Here you can choose to block or allow third-party cookies. Sites use them to boost your browsing experience. I've got mine set to allow, and you can too. Just toggle it on. Want to block them instead? Switch it off. That's it. If this quick tutorial helped, please like and subscribe. I would like to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Take care.